Hi everyone, Insane Trick Shots here. This video I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the Pyraminx. The Pyraminx is a puzzle in the shape of a pyramid. It's definitely easier than a 3x3 and you might consider it to be easier than a 2x2. So it's a fairly easy puzzle and let's get on with how to solve it. As you can see, we have our scrambled Pyraminx here. Just some terms that you might want to remember because I'll be using them in a video. This is called a tip. This, and these right here are called centers, and these are the edges. So the first step of the Pyraminx is to get all the centers of the first layer, and once you do that, the Pyraminx should look something like this, where we have all these centers here, and the tips are matching up with them. So for this tutorial, I'll do yellow as my first layer. So we're just going to find all the tips that have yellow on them. So as you can see, this one has yellow, this one has yellow, and this tip has yellow. So this side right here has all the yellow tip. And since this side has all the yellow tips, this is where the yellow layer is going to be. So we're going to match the tips up with their centers and just move all the centers into this side. And now all the centers of the first layer are solved. On to the rest of the first layer, so we're just going to have to get these edges, and after you get the edges, the Pyraminx will look something like this, as the whole first layer is solved, so the entirety of yellow is solved. What we're going to do is insert the edges into their correct spots, so the edge that goes here is going to be yellow, green, because the yellow will go here and the green will go here. So this is the yellow-green edge, and it's on the right side. And when you have an edge on the right side that needs to go down here, we can do this algorithm to get it in. Left side down, left side up, right side up. And as you can see, the edge is inserted into its spot. If we're going to insert an edge that's on the right side, it's going to go here, so it's on the right side. It's this pretty similar algorithm. We're going to do right side down, right side up, left side up. And as you can see, the edge is in its spot. If you have any edges that are flipped and need to be taken out into this spot up here, we can just move the right side up, the top clockwise, and then the right side down. So you can solve all three of the edges on the first layer with the algorithms that I showed you, and now your Pyraminx should look something like this. We're on the third step now, and we're going to move the centers so that they match up with the centers below them. As you can see, green, 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 blue, 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 red, red, red. On to the third step, which is getting one edge of the last layer of the Pyraminx solved. So it should look something like this, where we have one edge solved and two edges flipped, or if you're lucky, the whole Pyraminx ends up being solved. That can happen, and will happen around half the time. So we're going to look at the edge here and see, does it go here? And this is the green-blue edge, which, yes, does go here, because the green-blue edge would go right there. So we're going to do this algorithm to put it right here. Right side up, top counterclockwise, right side down, top counterclockwise, right side up, top counterclockwise, right side down. And the Pyraminx is solved, but it could also end up looking like this, where we have two edges flipped. So stick around for the end of the video to know how to solve that case. The other thing that could happen is that the edge on the right here doesn't go here, and it's going in the back in this spot right here. So what we're going to do is move the right side up, top clockwise, right side down, top clockwise, right side up, top clockwise, right side down. And now we have these two edges flipped, but one edge is solved. To solve the two edges flipped case, we're going to have the two edges that need flipping in the front, and we're going to do this algorithm: right side down, right side up, top side, clockwise, so this piece should match up with these. Left side up, top counterclockwise, left side down. And now the Pyraminx is solved. I hope that this tutorial was helpful. Like and subscribe if this taught you how to do Pyraminx. It really helps the channel. We're growing really fast, so thank you. If you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll try and help. Like and subscribe, and bye.